Most millennials and Gen Z consumers today prefer to buy everything online. Groceries, clothing, electronics, skincare, and yes, even fuel. In a world where convenience is king, the demand for on-demand fuel delivery services is rising faster than ever. This model solves challenges like slow billing cycles, lack of expense control, and complicated safety compliance, while giving users a simpler, smarter fueling experience. According to industry reports, over 55% of young Americans now have more delivery apps than streaming apps on their smartphones. And the global on-demand fuel delivery market, valued at USD 24.97 million in 2021, is projected to skyrocket to USD 1.77 billion by 2031. That means 2026 is the perfect moment to launch your own fuel delivery app before the market becomes crowded. But what makes a fuel delivery app actually succeed? Let's break down the must-have features you should offer. Customer app features. Effortless fuel booking. Users should be able to order fuel to their doorstep with just a few taps. Quick login and registration, simple onboarding, fast login, and clean navigation for a seamless experience. Fuel order module. Customers can choose fuel type, fuel quantity, track their location automatically, and schedule delivery. Tariff calculator. Users see transparent pricing instantly before confirming the order. Fuel expense and mileage calculator. With distance, fuel efficiency, and fuel price inputs, customers can easily estimate the cost of trips. Real-time order tracking. Track delivery status live, from order acceptance to tanker arrival. Admin panel features. With a powerful dashboard built by Apptunix, admins can effortlessly manage the entire ecosystem. User management. View, monitor, and handle all users and accounts. Fleet management. Track every tanker, check driver status, monitor maintenance, and assign vehicles to delivery zones with one click. Tanker management. Admins can add, update, or remove tankers from the fleet as required. Geofencing. Set optimal delivery routes, define service areas, and ensure safety compliance. Payments and invoices. Accept digital payments, generate invoices instantly, and track completed transactions. Delivery partner app features. Your drivers also get a dedicated app to streamline operations. Receiver information. Drivers get complete customer details and navigation for smooth, timely delivery. View and accept requests. Drivers can accept or reject delivery requests based on availability. Digital signatures and e-receipts helps ensure secure, verified delivery and instant proof of service. Panic, SOS alert. In emergencies, drivers can instantly alert the admin for help. Driver availability status. They can update availability in real time, helping admins assign deliveries smartly. These are the essentials, but you can always add your own unique features to differentiate your brand. And that's where Apptunix comes in. If you want to build a custom fuel delivery app with advanced tech, safety compliance, and a seamless user experience tailored to your business needs, our team at Apptunix can help bring your vision to life. We offer a complete tech suite for on-demand fuel delivery, a powerful admin panel, a feature-rich user app, a smart delivery partner app. With 2,500 plus projects delivered and global clients across 7+ countries, Apptunix is trusted for building scalable, secure, and future-ready mobile solutions. Click the link in the description below and schedule a free consultation with our experts.